Commercial metal doors are a critical part of any commercial building. They provide security, support life safety systems, and are built to withstand the constant use that comes from high traffic areas. In facilities like schools, hospitals, warehouses, and office buildings, doors can be opened thousands of times every single day. That's why hollow metal doors are used. They're engineered specifically for durability, fire ratings, code compliance, and heavy-duty hardware. At CDF, our inventory is built around 18-gauge galvanneal steel hollow metal doors, designed to deliver long-term performance and reliability.
Commercial metal doors function as a complete opening system. This includes the door, frame, hardware, fire rating, and reinforcements, all designed to work together. CDF offers a wide range of standard hollow metal doors, sometimes called steel doors, built to support high traffic environments and heavy-duty hardware like closers, panic devices, and access control systems. We also provide fire-rated assemblies, certified from 20 minutes to up to 3 hours, and wind-rated doors engineered for high wind conditions, ensuring your openings meet codes and performance requirements.
Many commercial metal doors require visibility and ventilation. That's where Louvers and light kits come in. CDF hollow metal doors can be ordered with a variety of light kits, all the way from small vision lights to full glass panels, all compatible with your door's fire rating. For spaces like mechanical rooms or utility areas, Louvers and hollow metal doors provide airflow while maintaining durability and security. By offering factory-installed light kits and louvers, we ensure a flush, professional finish, and reduce job site installation time.
Factory-installed light kits and louvers and commercial metal doors help maintain quality and ensure proper alignment with fire-rated assemblies. This reduces field installation errors and ensures that your glass light kit or louver is compatible with the door's rating. When you combine hollow metal doors, louvers, or glass light kits, the result is a commercial opening that's durable, safe, and easy to install, even in the busiest commercial environments.
Fire safety is another critical factor for commercial metal doors. CDF offers fire-rated hollow metal door assemblies range from 20 minutes all the way up to 3 hours. Each assembly includes the door, frame, hardware prep, and optional glass kits, all certified to meet code requirements. Choosing the right fire-rated metal door ensures code compliance, protects occupants, and simplifies inspection approvals for your project.
For high winds and hurricane-prone areas, wind-rated commercial metal doors are essential. CDF's HVHZ-certified hollow metal doors are engineered to withstand extreme pressure conditions up to plus or minus 75 psf, while maintaining the integrity of frames, hardware, and louvers. These doors combine heavy-duty steel construction, reinforced hardware, and proper installation of glass light kits to protect buildings and occupants during severe weather events.
Another factor that can impact commercial projects is lead times. CDF keeps a large inventory of hollow metal doors, wind-rated doors, and doors with pre-installed louvers and glass light kits, allowing most common configurations to ship out quickly. With some doors shipping as soon as the next business day, contractors and project teams can avoid costly delays and install metal door systems on schedule.
Ordering commercial metal doors is easier with ProBuilder, our instant online quoting tool. You can configure your door, frame, hardware prep, fire rating, glass light kits, louvers, and wind-rated options in minutes and receive instant pricing. Every order is reviewed by CDF door experts to verify technical specs, ensuring your hollow metal door assembly arrives ready to install, fully compliant, and designed for high traffic commercial use.